Have you ever felt that loneliness is something scary? That being alone means you're weak? Well, maybe it's time to change that idea completely. Today we will explore how Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius turned loneliness from a burden into the greatest asset of his life. He was a philosopher king, a warrior, and a man who understood the human condition perhaps better than anyone else in his time. And he knew something about using solitude to his advantage. Marcus Aurelius, in his profound work, Meditations, tells us that our minds are like cosmic battlegrounds. Every day we're bombarded with thoughts, some good, some bad, and some just plain ugly. And it's in those moments of solitude, when the noise of the world fades away, that the real battle begins. When we're alone, we're forced to confront our own thoughts, our own fears, our own internal dialogue. Think of it like this: your mind is a garden. If you're not careful, it can become overrun with weeds, negative thoughts, self-doubt, and limiting beliefs. But with careful attention and cultivation, you can transform that garden into a sanctuary of peace, clarity, and wisdom. Solitude is the key to unlocking that potential. You are the guardian of your own mind, the master of your own internal universe. In the vast expanse of space and time, we humans are granted a finite existence, and it's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day hustle, to let the hours slip away like grains of sand through our fingers. But Marcus Aurelius reminds us that time, unlike the endless expanse of the universe, is our most precious commodity. Loneliness, rather than being a void to be feared, can become a crucible for personal growth. Think of it this way: you're an explorer charting unknown territories within yourself. You have this precious time to delve into the depths of your being, to uncover hidden talents, to pursue long-forgotten passions. Loneliness provides the space and quietude necessary for deep thought, for introspection, for connecting with that inner voice that's often drowned out by the clamor of the outside world. So instead of dreading those moments when you find yourself alone, think of them as an invitation to explore the universe within. Chapter 3. Accept what you cannot change. Accepting loneliness, especially in a world that often glorifies constant connection and social validation, can feel like swimming against the cosmic current. But Marcus Aurelius offers a powerful antidote to this struggle: acceptance. He tells us that true peace comes not from fighting against the inevitable, but from embracing the ebb and flow of life's grand design. Instead of resisting these periods, what if we embrace them as essential parts of our journey? What if we recognize that just as darkness is essential for the brilliance of the stars to shine, so too are periods of solitude necessary for our own inner light to emerge. It's about finding peace and strength within ourselves, regardless of our external circumstances. Outro: the universe within. In the end, loneliness is not your enemy, it can be your greatest teacher. It's in those moments of solitude, when we're alone with the universe within ourselves, that we discover our true strength, our resilience, our capacity for growth and transformation. So, embrace the silence, my friends. Explore the cosmos of your own being. What about you? Have you ever found strength in loneliness? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring philosophical and historical stories.